All right, so jumping straight into one of the first questions that I get all the time that I want to answer, which is, Sam, what exactly is Amazon affiliate marketing? So for those of you out there that don't really understand exactly how it works, basically what you're going to do is sign up for the Amazon Associates program. And once you've been accepted, you're then going to be in a position where you can start getting your Amazon affiliate links. And the beauty of doing Amazon affiliate marketing is that you're going to be able to promote any one of the different millions of products that are currently available on Amazon right now for people to buy. And once you do go through that process of signing up for an Amazon Associates account, you're then going to see this gray bar at the top of the Amazon homepage, and you're going to be able to use this when it comes to getting your affiliate links. So just to show you exactly how it works, just so that you understand how the process is and how simple it can be for you to start earning a passive source of income with Amazon. So I'm going to type in a random product that just came to my head, which is MacBook. Just like that, and I'm going to click on search. And as you can see, there's all of these different MacBooks, and all of them have a really high price point, which means that the commission is going to be really high if you are able to successfully get someone to click your link. But I'm going to explain a little bit more about that later on. I just want to show you exactly how it works when it comes to easily finding your link. So once you click on any product just like this, you're then going to be able to come over here to where it says text. And right there, as you can see, Amazon has now provided me with either the short link or the full link. Any one of these different links, if someone clicks it, you're going to be able to earn a part of this revenue. So now that you're aware of the foundations of how Amazon affiliate marketing works, I just want to take you through some basic facts that you need to know, things that I wish I knew before I started that I don't really see that many people talking about. And I've broken down 4 of the main facts right here, and all of the different things I'm going to speak about now is how the Amazon affiliate program compares to the other methods of doing affiliate marketing that I've personally noticed on my own journey. So jumping straight into the first one, which is the cookie duration. And when I say cookie duration, for anyone out there that's never heard this term before, essentially what a cookie is that when someone clicks on a link, their website is going to track exactly what that person does from that point. And you guys need to be aware of the fact that with the Amazon Associates program or Amazon affiliate marketing in general, there's a 24-hour cookie duration. Now, this definitely differs from other affiliate programs because other ones may have a 7-day cookie duration, maybe a 1-month cookie duration, which means that even if the person clicks on your link, let's say on the 1st of January, and doesn't buy the product until the 29th of January, if there is a 30-day cookie duration, you're still going to be able to earn that commission. But the way that Amazon works, the person needs to click your link, and they also need to add the item to their cart and check out all within 24 hours. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to qualify for that commission. So this is definitely one of the key things that you need to be aware of if you are going to center your entire business around doing Amazon affiliate marketing. Moving on to the second thing, which is the commission rates. So one thing that I've personally noticed when it comes to doing this type of affiliate marketing compared to other ones that I do is the commission rates. Amazon tend to have lower rates compared to so many other affiliate programs that are out there. And the main reason for this is that you're going to be promoting physical products. And because there's so much cost that goes into producing a physical product, for example, the actual materials, for example, the shipping, there's so many different things, Amazon are not going to be able to pay you a high amount. I believe that the highest commission rate that you're going to be able to earn on any product available on Amazon at the moment is around 10%. However, with a lot of the other methods of doing affiliate marketing that I do, I'm able to earn 30%, 40%, even 50%. And just to give you guys a quick example of what I'm talking about, if I just jump onto one of the affiliate marketplaces that I use when it comes to finding softwares and digital products to promote, as you can see instantly, there's various different companies that I'm going to be able to join, and I'm going to be able to earn 20%, 30%, even as high as 50% on all of these different softwares. In addition to being able to earn a high commission when it comes to promoting softwares, I'm also going to be able to earn a recurring commission. So I'm not necessarily saying that doing Amazon affiliate marketing is bad. You just need to make sure that you're aware of all of these different facts when it comes to the commission rate so that you're going to be able to promote the best type of products that's going to be able to bring you the most profit. Like going back to the example of the MacBooks that I showed you, the reason why I use this as an example is because they're selling for such a high amount. So when it comes to all of the efforts that I put into doing Amazon affiliate marketing, I prefer to promote products that have a high value just like this, rather than promoting products that are selling for $20, $50, $100. And moving on to the third thing that you guys need to know that I didn't realize when I first started doing Amazon affiliate marketing, which is that if someone buys another product, you still get paid. And by this, what I mean is that if you're promoting, let's say, a $50 product and the person clicks on your link and they go over to Amazon, but they see another item that they want to buy that has nothing to do with the product that you're promoting, as long as they place the order within 24 hours, you're still going to be able to earn a portion of that revenue. So that's one of the benefits of the Amazon Associates program that other ones out there don't necessarily have. When it comes to promoting softwares, when it comes to promoting digital products, the person needs to buy that specific item that you sent the customer to. However, if you send the customer to Amazon again to buy a $50 product, $100 product, and then they end up spending, let's say, $2,000, you're going to be able to earn a portion of the entire amount that they spent. And moving on to the fourth thing that I've noticed about doing this type of affiliate marketing compared to other ones is that you can expect higher conversion rates. So one of the other benefits that I've noticed about promoting products on Amazon is that people are used to the brand, people are used to shopping on there in the first place. So once they click on your link and they're on there, it doesn't really take any sort of convincing for them to buy whatever item that you might be promoting. However, if we compare that to promoting a software or maybe an info product that they've never heard of before, it's going to take a little bit more convincing, which means that you can expect to get a lower conversion rate. But all of this, what I'm saying now, is just to give you an example as to how it works so that you're going to be able to go into it with the facts and the understanding to be able to give yourself the best chance of success from day one. But swiftly moving on to one of the next common questions that I get all the time from you guys, which is, but Sam, how exactly am I going to get people to click my Amazon affiliate link if I don't have a following or if I don't have any sort of audience? And there's two main ways that you're going to be able to do it, but it all comes down to producing content. If there's one thing that I've learned about doing affiliate marketing over the past 6 years is that for you to be able to continuously keep earning a passive source of income from it, you're going to need to create content in two main forms, whether it's written form or video form. We live in a world right now where social media is taking over, and if you're able to utilize the powers of social media and understand what goes into digital marketing, you're going to be in the forefront of being able to earn a consistent source of revenue from your affiliate marketing efforts. But let's start off with one of the first ways of creating content, which is by writing articles. And I'm going to show you an example of people that are doing this right now and how you can do it yourself. So if I just jump onto Google, I'm going to type in a popular search term that I know people are searching for every single day, which is best laptop review, and then click on search. And the reason why I search for this specific search term is because if you're able to center your articles targeting popular search terms like this, then you're going to be in a position where you can promote laptops or whatever items that you want to promote on your website. But if I just scroll down slightly, right here, as you guys can see, there's two websites that I want to show you. Now there's one website that's been able to get to the first page of Google without running any sort of paid ads, and there's also this website over here that is running paid ads because you can see it says sponsored. But both of them have the main goal of being able to earn affiliate commissions, because if we go over to the one that's organically risen and just click into it, if I just scroll down slightly, we're going to be able to see that they're promoting all of these different laptops on their website. And of course, they've got all of these affiliate links so that when someone clicks into it just like this, it's going to take the person directly to the product page. And if the person buys the item within 24 hours, this website owner is going to be able to earn a commission. And if we go over to the one that's using paid ads and just click into this one, as you guessed it, it's the exact same thing. They're promoting the top 10 laptops to buy, and when someone clicks on this link over here, it's going to take the potential customer straight to Amazon. And the reason why I specifically use these two websites as an example is because whether you're looking to rise organically in the Google search results, it's definitely possible. It is going to take time and it is going to take a lot of hard work, but once you do it, you're going to be able to earn passive income from various different affiliate programs. And if you also wanted to run paid ads, that's also a possibility too, because as you can see, there's someone that's actively doing it right now. And when it comes to building your website, it's not really difficult. All you're realistically going to need is hosting, and the hosting platform that I normally recommend is Hostinger, mainly because it's easy to use and they've also got massive discounts happening all the time. Like for example, if you use the link in my description, you're going to be able to get 3 months for free and you're going to pay as low as $2.99. In addition to that, they're also going to give you a free domain if you do use that link in my description that you're going to be able to claim by clicking on this link. And when it comes to the process of actually designing your website, you can either go down the route of doing WordPress, which is something I would recommend, or if you wanted to keep it simple and use one of Hostinger's templates, as you can see, they've got all of these different templates that you're going to be able to easily apply to your website with a few clicks of a button. But of course, there's certain specific steps that goes into building your website and also getting it ranked on Google. So if you want to see me make a full video breaking down everything you need to know when it comes to building a website from scratch, then put in the comments down below, do the website video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. And moving on to the second way that you're going to be able to get people to click your Amazon affiliate links, which is going to be with video content. And as you guys already know, YouTube is the #1 most visited video content platform in the entire world, so it only makes sense to utilize it. Not only that, YouTube is also a search engine, which means that people go onto YouTube just like this and type in whatever search term they want, and then results pop up. So if you're able to create videos and target those specific search terms, you're going to be able to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links, which is obviously going to help you make money. And you don't even necessarily need to even show your face on camera, because there's so many different ways that you're going to be able to use AI bots and technology when it comes to making the videos for you. Let me show you some examples of people that are doing this right now, just so that you have a clear understanding of exactly how it works. So if I just jump onto YouTube and type in something along the lines of best budget TV to buy and then click on search, we're going to be able to see all of these different results popping up, where so many of these people, some of them are not showing their face, some of them are showing their face, but whether you are looking to show your face on camera, whether you're not, you're still going to be able to get results. Like for example, there's this channel over here. As we can see, they're posting videos quite often. Now, not every single video that they're going to post is going to get millions of views or thousands of views, because maybe the audience that they've built up is not interested in that particular video that they've made. Like for example, there's this video here that they posted 6 days ago that's about the best Samsung phones. So maybe this one didn't rank in the search results, but if we just scroll down slightly, there's this video over here that they posted 3 weeks ago that got over 53,000 views. And I can guarantee that if I click into the actual video and scroll down to the search results, we're going to be able to see all of these different Amazon affiliate links. So imagine how much commissions they were able to generate from this one video without ever having to show their face on camera, without ever having to use their own voice. And in addition to that, they're also generating money from Google AdSense, from all of the ads that's playing on the video, as you can see right now. And there's a step-by-step process that you guys can follow when it comes to doing something like this yourself. And I've recently made a video breaking all of that down. So if you want to watch that video, make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people. And if you also want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter, where every single week I'm going to help you when it comes to starting an online business, whether it's an email about affiliate marketing, how to do drop shipping, whatever the case is, you're going to receive an email from myself to help you on your money making journey. So if you want to sign up for that completely free email newsletter, you're going to be able to do that by clicking the first link in the description down below. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.